You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this cheese wheel pasta. If you want to learn how to say more names from Italian cuisine, more pasta dish names, stay tuned. Pronounced pasta alla ruota, ruota. La ruota being the wheel of Parmigiano cheese. It's usually Parmigiano or Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano. Pasta alla ruota. How to pronounce pasta alla ruota? Alla ruota. It's hard to say in English. Pasta alla ruota. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.